What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. A lot of you guys have been asking where I've been, where my car is, why I stopped creating content, and well, I got some answers for you guys. My car hasn't gone nowhere. I haven't gone nowhere. I just haven't had any content to film. My car's been in the shop, getting some upgrades. A lot of you guys are saying, oh, I stopped making payments on the car. Whatever. I still have my car. It's getting some significant upgrades. Just know that the car's going to be a lot faster and a lot louder. So I'll be having an update video probably next week showing you all the mods that's being done to the car. I would have done them myself. I just haven't had much time. I've been so busy with work, and honestly, I just can't find time to do it myself. So like I was mentioning, the shop's going to be installing all of my modifications. I ordered some significant parts that the car was lacking. A lot of you guys probably already have an idea of what I ordered. If you think you know what I ordered, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think is being installed on the car. Just know that it's going to be faster, it's going to be louder, and hopefully my cooling issues will be gone. With that being said, I do have one modification that they are not installing. I actually have it here right in front of me. As soon as I get the car back, I'll be installing them, and we'll be having some fun from there. Let's go ahead and take a look at those modifications that I'm talking about. Alright, so now that you've seen the big reveal on the modification that I'm going to install, because you know it's so difficult to install wheels. Project 6 GR sponsored the Roush. Not only did they give me a huge discount on the rims or wheels, whatever you want to call them, they also hooked it up with some R888Rs wrapped all the way around. We decided to go with 19-inch wheels. We went with 19 by 10 in the front and 19 by 11.5 in the back. 285 tires in the front, 325s in the back. The fitment should be insane. With that being said, I went ahead and had my buddy ceramic coat them all. You guys have seen the RS get ceramic coated. Now I had my wheels ceramic coated, because nobody wants brake dust sitting on their wheels the whole time. It's so annoying to clean, and with ceramic coating, everything literally just rinses off. It makes your job and your life so much easier. So it should preserve the life of the wheels by a lot. I'm looking at them now, and honestly, the ceramic coating does make a big difference in the appearance, and it should make even a bigger difference once it hits the sun. With that being said, as soon as these wheels get on the car, we're going to go ahead and adjust the suspension and get that all dialed in. After the suspension is dialed in, we're going to finish tuning the car for the modifications that are being installed on the car currently. Once all of that is done, we will be ceramic coating the whole car. I'm so excited for it. I had it done on my RS, and like I said, it made the car look absolutely amazing. There's a couple of minor scratches on the Roush. Hopefully we're able to correct those, so we're doing a full stage 3 correction throughout the whole car, and then having it ceramic coated. We're doing a 7-year protection, and I'm stoked to have it done. With that being said, that is going to conclude today's video. With that being said, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what modifications you think are coming to the Roush. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.